Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring TikTok is updated and permissions are granted so nothing blocks capture. Open the app and tap the plus button to enter recording mode. This begins the live photo workflow. Make sure you choose the front or rear camera, set any filters, and frame your subject. Once the scene is ready, hold the record button briefly to capture motion or use the timer for hands-free. These first actions guarantee you capture both video and the keyframe TikTok needs for a live photo. Once you have your clip, focus on selecting the best few seconds for the live photo conversion. Tap the checkmark and use trim to isolate the exact 1-3-second segment that will loop as the live photo. This matters because TikTok converts that frame into the still. Make sure any filters or sound are finalized because conversion keeps the visual slice. After trimming, choose Save or Export options. Selecting Save as live photo or similar ensures the extracted frame and short motion are bundled for. To finish, save the edited clip explicitly as a live photo to your phone's camera roll. On iOS, this appears in Live Photos, and on Android, certain gallery apps show similar motion formats. Then you can set it as wallpaper or share it as a live photo via supported platforms. If the save fails, make sure TikTok has storage permission, you have enough free space, and background app refresh is enabled. Re-export after restarting the app if problems persist. That usually resolves conversion glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.